Hello guys, halata video. Kami dyan.
Hello Little Riders! So, ito yung first vlog namin. So, ito yung first time na mag-share kami ng aming tour or aming vacation. So, we're here in Australia with Little Rider Primo. So, keep on watching guys! So, ngayon, nakatira kami sa tita ko. Dito sila sa Melbourne, Australia. So, nandito kami sa park malapit sa kanila. Pinag-play lang namin si Primo. Yan. Hi! So, let's walk, Primo. Try natin i-check dun. Wait lang. Careful. Help me? Okay, stand up first. Okay, let's go. You say, let's go, guys. Here, hold mama.
No,
10 minutes?
uy, ilo.
Hold mama na.
Rain.
What?
Moho me. Kukulo me. Kupalak ulo.
Ano? Huwag ka ng maayos dito nako. Two hands mo para.
Two hands lang.
Sige. Hold ko muna. Ayan. Sige, hold ka. Look ka.
Go.
Mahappy me.
You're like a monkey. Go like two hands like that.
Alam mo
Ayaw.
tatok me.
Takot ka?
Takot ka? Takot mo? What happened? Oh, let's go here.
Matada.
Let's check what happened. Kilo me. Takot mo.
Hindi. May pumasok.
Ang kahoy. Later, pag nagpasyal tayo, mag-shoes ka. Okay. Dito?
Ito.
Alam yung bumi.
Hindi yan
No,
tuloy.
let's walk. Love, chat natin doon. Huwag na mama. Ha?
Naku, anong
No, love. Para love? Alam mo yung purpose niyan? Pag na fall ka, you will not get hurt. Don't do that. Go. Run. Run. What's that? Flowers.
Ayan ako.
Ay, nako. Oh, what's that?
mo tatok me maalam me
For the big kids yan, Daddy.
Ha?
For the big kids.
Kaya mo yan, nak?
Can you do that?
Hindi.
You try. You're scared?
Yes,
Can you try it?
madam
You try.
Madam
You get tired?
ang gitalo. Mo hali me.
Ah, you're small. Liit me. Okay. You're cold na.
Yes.
You want this?
Yes, lemi. Oh, lemi.
Hindi.
This mama.
It's a playground for the big kids. Let's check other.
Kumelo pa.
Yes. Are you happy with the playground?
Yeah. Madi tatok me.
You're not scared?
Yeah.
Because it's for the small kids like you. Oh, ito pala, boss. For sale.
Dula me.
Doon na meron.
Melo pa. Hello guys.
Hello, guys. Where are we going? Where are we going, Primo? Where mo naman kami sa Australia? Where do you live? Where do you live?
It's hello.
Australia? Okay.
Mama.
Primo.
Fade down.
Let's go back to the playground, Little Riders.
Latila this me Natilades. Do akami. Do elasmi. Do kami. Do lade do ladis mi.
Luggage?
Luggage?
Mhm.
Manaalalo.
Yeah, let's go there. In the playground.
Dito muna tayo.
He's playing pa. Under the tree, under the tree, under the tree.
Yun.
Why did you do?
Naku
Bima,
Kuya mo, ay, no.
no. Can you go home on your own? We will go na.
No.
No,
Uy,
love.
natandaan mo yung paano umuwi?
Yeah. Let's go straight.
Ay, naku, wag dyan.
Bima, love. You know what? You will have rashes in your hands. If you keep on getting that. You want rashes?
No.
It's itchy, very itchy.
No.
Okay, so you play in the playground na. You play.
Mami!
Oh, go, catch the bird. Can you
A
catch
bird.
the bird?
Laki.
Mami!
Hi, bird. Say hi to the bird.
Mami! Mami!
Love, go. You catch the bird. Go.
No. Mami! Mami!
Hindi siya nagpa-fly for you.
Ha?
Hindi siya nagpa-fly.
Mami! Mami! Alay!
Are you okay?
Okay ka lang?
Mami! Ano eh?
He doesn't want to play, Pina.
Titipe.
He doesn't want to play.
Sabon mo.
Habalo?
Just don't go to the road, okay?
Ay, fuck.
Lipad na.
Oh,
Oh no, bird.
no.
Ano nangyari?
Lipa.
Ah, lipad.
Mo lipa, mama. Lute. Oh, little bit.
You want sing Bill?
Bas, ngalaw, Ricky, bas, law, law, law. Atak na.
Ikaw.
Hey, hey,
Mama also.
mahilumi.
Wow.
Mahilumi, daddy.
Ha?
Yan mahal. Look at mama. Pimo, look. 1, 2, 3, go!
Mahilumi. Alam eh.
Ah, stop na.
Stop na, stop na.
Stop na.
Na.
Ay, picture hindi.
Pimo, picture lang.
Kala, stop ko lang.
Oh,
Stop ko
stop,
lang.
stop, stop.
Ah, picture lang.
Ah, picture
kita
lang. Go home na?
Di pa.
Oh, let's take a picture. One picture only. Pimo.
I like.
Thank you, love. Oh,
Okay.
smile.
1, 2. 1, 2.
Oh, push mo na ako, love. Dali. 1, 2. Gusto ko high, love. Pagka, when you push mama, you go there on the side, okay? Okay? Again, push mama. Ah! Go! Prima, go! More, push, push mama! More. Push, Prima, push! Woo! Woo! Higher, higher, higher! Woo! Go! Go, Prima, go! Ah! Go! 1, 2, 3, go! Kiss mo.
Uli.
Let's go na, anak.
No, di pa.
Ha?
Tamilis.
You forgot to bring your scooter.
Ay, get natin yung scooter, anak.
Mabilis mo mag-scooter dito kasi ang
Ay, tara.
laki nung area.
Tara, kunin natin. Let's go.
You forgot?
Yeah,
Let's get your scooter.
to temi. Maila.
Yung area nila, big. Diba? Masarap mag-scooter si Little Rider Primo.
Ang ganda.
Karga.
Okay.
Air cold. Are you hungry?
Di pa.
Okay. Is it sunny? Very sunny. Ayaw, hug mama. What? How to go home, Primo? Are we going to the right, to the left, or straight? How to go home? Dada, you know, may tinas.
Hmm?
What is your question?
Sa house ni sila.
Saan house may Australia? Oh no, naliligaw tayo dati. Wala na. Wala na house Primo.
House me.
Where? You're heavy. Ano? Stop. They're cutting trees.
Ha?
They are cutting trees.
Sure. Thank you.
Naintindihan mo, Dad?
Huh?
Naintindihan mo? Sige, translate mo. Naintindihan. Can you pass it on me? Ikaw mo ba?
One.
No! Don't do that!
Wait, ano, nakapamasya ka? Ha?
Opo. Ma?
Nakalakyan mo. Asa si Casey?
Andito. Welcome to the video.
Sabi. Yummy?
Oh, Elisa told me, love, may fruits ka here.
Ayan.
Here, oh. Oh, you show to the vlog where is the strawberry.
And
Diyan.
That one.
Masarap yung ano, black cherry, ano.
Ito, oh. Love. Ano, fruits, love. Love.
Ako sa'yo na ano, black, ako sa'yo ng papupo. Di ba kumain kagabi? O, ang ganda na pupo ko hangin na. Ngayon naman, hi. Meron dito apple na.
ha?
Apple.
Mama, apple.
Yo.
Melo pa.
Meron pa sa apple sa Pilipinas na iwan. Nakuha ni ate?
Bilin mo, Dad.
Ando para sa labasan ng lutuan ni Mami Lisa.
Ihawan?
Lutuan
Grilling?
niya ng mga, pagka may mga order siya. Sa
Mm.
kanila siya nagluluto. Doon din daw siya nagluluto pagkain nila para hindi umaamot siya mahal.
Ako ba?
Marami siya lutuan doon sa loob, sa kabila.
No, di tita mi.
Hindi mo nakita? Mamaya, papakita ko sa'yo. Pwede na kayo buutin itong rice cooker natin.
Cook na po.
Basmati ata ang rice nila.
Sarap.
Adis dada.
Strawberry.
Ano ko ta ini eh. Sarap. Mo chala wawa.
Alin?
Eh,
Oo, talagang sarap yan. Strawberry.
is wawa. Wa. Mo tatua wawa eh. Tuha mam eh.
Wawa, Lisa?
Taa.
Sa grocery, love.
At tuha eh.
Nag-buy siya sa grocery.
Lay.
I like it. Cheers! Oh, wait, I'll wipe your...
Yeah.
Sana. Anna, kantahan mo si Nong ng happy
Oh,
birthday.
gising na. Hindi ko pa enough.
Dali, i-video kita.
Game.
Apet. No, no.
Okay, go.
Apet. Hello, Jess. Halata video. Halata video.
Go!
Apet. 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 Tulog.
Sapa.
Say happy birthday, Nong.
Apet, no.
Don't kick, ha? You might fall.
What is mama ito?
You try. It's a blueberry.
Mount atay ni eh. What is eh?
Strawberry.
Eh?
Wow.
Matala eh?
Yummy?
Yeah.
Sabi nga ni Lisa, iwan na daw tayo.
Say hi!
Say hi. Hi. O, saan pupunta?
Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going?
Shopping,
What we will buy?
guys.
Alay ka na,
What?
puntahan natin. What are you gonna buy?
Chocolate. Shopping, Adriana. Adriana, let's go shopping.
Yeah.
Yes!
Shopping.
Shopping!
Shopping.
Ayun, nagsasalita na.
Ha? Si Primo?
Ayan, bata.
Ah, yung ba?
Primo! Primo! Here! Hi! Andun si Mami Lisa, oh. Did you cry?
Cry ng cry.
But you're okay now?
Walk
Say
daw
hi to
siya.
the vlog. Let's go. Andun sila, Mami Lisa.
Ay, andun si Papa.
Ay. Wait, sabihin natin.
Saan ba sila, ma?
Bigyan ng alak na.
Ah, okay.
Ang gusto mo doon?
Kahit saan.
Pwede naman kami. Oo, sige.
Doon ka na lang? O, sige.
Sige na.
Ang bilis, anong narinig na ano, ah.
Naiwan na ako. Yan.
Ah, naiwan ka na?
O, tara na. Press the button, baby. Yeah, button.
Dito kaya with Primo.
Ha?
Okay.
Oop!
Yeah, go press, baby. Okay, good.
Can I put my bag here? Baka ano?
Tanong mo muna kung hinihintay ka.
Press again. Baby, unahin dalawa. Kana nilalagay pamimili natin.
Tatanggal ko yung backpack ni.
Hindi, kukuha na lang tayo doon ng isa pang maliit na trolley.
Baka may...
O, natin doon.
Oh, done na. Sit down. Ayun na, Primo. Hold ko.
Alright. Okay, press. Okay, which one? Letter G. Baby, letter G. Yeah, there. Okay.
Okay. Sit down.
Sit down. Sit down. Oh,
Nak, careful ha.
Dapat nasa unahan si Adriana. Dapat nasa unahan si Adriana eh.
Parang kawawa siya.
Baka madaganan. O, tingnan.
Dalawang kamay hawak.
Dito ko dinadala si Adriana pagka naglalaro. Pagka Wednesday, yan dito kaming dalawa.
Ay, daddy, at mo si Mami Lisa. Mabigat yung dalawa.
Very fresh yung hangin. No?
Sa atin din, ganyan. Kaya lang may kasama ko, ano.
Halika po. Where are we going?
Shopping!
Sino si Primo, nakaganon yung kamay. Si Adriana, bukang-bukat. Dito tayo na.
Cute nung dalawa.
Sumama din dito, mga loko.
Gusto mag-ikat niyan. He wants to walk daw eh. Chang, say hi to the vlog. Hi!
We're here now.
We're here now.
And now.
Where are we?
Shopping.
Shopping. Ang ganda ng mga meat nila, Jay.
Kambing, nagtitinda rin. Lamb curd. Camel, gusto mo?
Di ko ba titikman yun, Papa?
Kaya lang kari. Ito, usa.
Malambot yan, Papa Dong.
Isa ko sa meron.
Yung mga meat nila, Papa Dong, yung kunyari po, yung ganon.
Sarap ba yun? Yung kangaroo meat na yun?
Ow.
Nakamitin.
Kaya gusto ko yung cucumber para magsa-barbecue.
Para mamaya sa...
Ay, ka tayo. Sige. You want? Let's buy snacks. Oh, sit down.
Sit down na.
Nakumbe.
Milk? Okay, let's buy milk.
Anak,
Sit down.
Makulate.
And water. May water si Mami.
okay, sit down, Adriana.
Sit down, Adriana. Wawaliza. Let's look around. Let's look around. Haso. Ganda ng grocery nila, love. Oh, sit down,
Okay,
love.
sit down.
Kasi si baby Adriana, love.
sit down.
Sit down,
please.
Adriana.
Thank you.
Milk. Let's buy milk. Let's buy milk. Try muna natin yung small if okay sa tummy niya. Kasi magta-travel din tayo. You hug Adriana, love. Ay? You sit. Paside. Yan. It's your big. Yun lang. Love. Lactose free. Pero walang small. Try natin. Yung light siguro. Sit down lang. With Adriana, sit down.
No, Toto.
Adriana,
No, ni
go down.
Nami, ni Nami.
Lapit mo daw, Dad.
Okay.
You cry, yeah? How about you, little girl? You alright? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's
You're
that? Is that a
sleepy,
yogurt?
yeah? I
Is that
think you're
yogurt?
sleepy.
Strawberry yogurt?
Sorry, I'm afraid, Doctor.
Yeah.
Ilagay sa buko. Going home na tayo, Primo. Sleep ka na ba? You want to sleep na?
Is it your nappy time na ba? Nappy time? Nap time na ba?
No!
Lalo.
You want to play?
Yeah.
Play later.
Mata kami now.
Playground anak.
Sleep?
But, Mommy,
What's that?
Sit down na.
Mono.
Later, let's play. Oh, you pick.
No.
Sit down anak.
Where are we off to? Home? 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 What happened?
May ano, ayun na may butlig na ano, sugat.
Ah, hindi ba kayong ano niya
Ayun.
yun? Ah, hindi. Are you okay? Does it hurt? Does it hurt?
No.
No, it's okay. You're a big girl, yeah? It's alright?
Let's
We'll put some cream. We'll put some cream when we get home, okay?
we
We put some Band-Aid or cream?
cream.
Okay. We'll put some cream.
Seatbelt.
Dad ng lola mo, makakalimutan na.
Ako pa nasisilong ano kanina.
Okay.
Lagi saan hindi ko makita.
Alin?
Yung